Peekaboo! What is up, everybody? It is Lawrence, and today we have the Nike Adapt Huarache. So let's start with the box because it's a huge ass box, which is why I decided to hide behind it. This is a white box with very, very shiny rainbow-y Nike on it. And then on the sides you have these two circles, also done in the same type of print. The reason it looks like that is because the Adapt BB or the Adapt technology itself has two buttons on the shoe that you can press up and down to loosen it as well as tighten it. You'll see that in a second, but let's start this unboxing because it's the first time both of us have seen it. Alright, and also the front, there is a kind of translucent kind of hole right here, which I kind of like a lot, and it's got one of those like pull out type of boxes, which is the best type of method for the box anyway. And so let's pull. It's not a pulling box. It's what happens when you record an unboxing. Anyway, so there's two flaps, and let's open this together. Cool. As soon as you open it up, let's see what it says. This tells you to download the Nike app. Then you have the turn the shoe on, and I don't know what the rest of it means. And then you have the charging for the shoe. But let's kind of look at the interior of the shoe. All right, in the box you have this foiled wrap, and then also a Nike box over here. I assume this is charger or something like that. But let's flip this foil up. Let's flip this foil up, and you have the Nike Adapt Huarache. So for those that don't know, the Nike Adapt technology is a self-lacing technology. This shoe, right off the get-go, is a nice mesh. On the upper, there's a lot of silver printing all throughout, and there's black all throughout it as well. Right off the bat, there is a leather piece over here. I don't really love this that much, just because it seems like it's a little excessive. On the back, there is a blue Nike. Bottom, there's a translucent sole. All of it looks pretty good. This is definitely made for lifestyle wear. Don't have any reviews on it yet, but this is I honestly think it's a great looking shoe. Yeah, I think there's a lot they can do with this. I love this a lot more than the Adapt BB, which I thought was a little kind of tame, especially for the futuristic look of the shoe. And I feel like these marks over here remind me a lot of old basketball shoes. But I do feel like this would be a lot better without this black leather piece. But without the black leather piece, you don't have the lacing system, and the exposed lacing system is on the outside. Besides the foil, so let's kind of get rid of this. Perfect. You have this Nike box. Let's see what's inside. Inside the Nike box is a charger or a electric plug, and then a USB to USB-C charger. Let's put that back. It in. And then the other thing that you have on the inside is the baseboard. This baseboard is come out. Alright, perfect. This baseboard is a charger. This it's huge. I mean, like, if you ever want to go travel with this thing, this is another thing to bring. It's pretty flat, so it might just fit in your backpack or whatever, but it's still pretty big. It's done in this black, as I assume these are the two charging pads, and then you have the Nike symbol in the middle. But that's it for the unboxing part of this. I assume that there's going to be a lot more to talk about. But what I'm going to do for you guys right now is switch camera angles a little bit just to show you guys what it looks like to put on a shoe, as well as what the app looks like. So give me 1 second while I do switcho changeo. Alright, so I'm about to recalibrate it. I actually messed up and adjusted it to basically the entire foot because I pressed it before I put on the shoe, and so it basically squished it down all the way. So I'm going to recalibrate it right now to my foot. This is my first time actually feeling the tightening of the shoe. So I just put it on. I'm going to press recalibrate. Put on your shoes to find the perfect fit. So let's begin. adapting to your feet. Let's see. Oh, it's like a tease. It's like a tease. Oh, that's tight. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it does both at the same time. I think my left foot is a little tight, so I'm gonna push it down a little bit. And it's pretty tight around the forefoot and a little bit loose kind of where the midfoot is. I'm gonna tighten up a little bit more. And I think that should be good. And then I think I'll do the same thing with my right foot, which I think is a 15. A little looser now. Cool. Awesome. So I'll save move mode. I don't know what that means, but that's move mode. And then creating chill mode. Sweet. Let me see what happens here. Let's do chill. So chill, I guess, just kind of loosens it up a little bit. I don't know how to take these off yet, but I'll figure that out later. As you can see on the app, there is this button, which actually changes the color from Hero Blue, Racer Blue, Vivid Purple, Pink Blast, I don't know what that is, Bright Crimson, Total Orange, Laser Orange, Opti Yellow, Electric Green, Green Spark, White. I think I might keep it white, that looks kind of cool. And then finally Aurora Green all over again. Guys, what should my color be? Leave that in the comments below, and hopefully you guys will have a healthy debate about it. You also have this, which shows that my shoes are 40%. And what does this do? What the hell is happening? I will do that later. How do I get these things off? Did I do that? I have no idea. I'll need to figure that out later, but that's it, guys. This is the unboxing and real quick tutorial of the app itself. I'm definitely going to be wearing these for the next couple of days, see how they feel when they charge and everything else. Just a really quick look at the shoe real quick on foot. I'll do a much more comprehensive review on everything, but as of right now, it's pretty cool. It's pretty comfortable. It's a little snug right now, and hopefully it does loosen up, but we'll see where everything goes. Until next time, peace.